day outside. Despite there being a pandemic, I had to be able to find somewhere that I can hang out by myself and test some cameras. So I figured I'd make a little video about it. Let's get moving. Behind me, the Oregon City Municipal Elevator. It's only one of 4 in the world and the only one in America to be an outdoor publicly operated elevator. It's kind of a little weird, but it's kind of a neat attraction to the city I live in. I don't know how well you can see that behind me, but that is Willamette Falls. It is the second largest waterfall by volume in all of America, right behind Niagara Falls. I know with the GoPro it's going to be a little hard to see back there, but I might see if I get a little closer to it. I'm going to see if I can take some pictures of it now.